Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do reading for Taurus at sign, your person current feelings and actions towards you for the month of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Taurus. Okay, let's see your person current feelings. The Fool, Stress, Seven of Wands, Friendliness, Two of Cups. I think those who are in separation, definitely there is a new beginning. Your person want new beginning with you. The Fool, new beginning. He want to take leap of faith with you. And the Stress, I think Seven of Wands, even there are some obstacles in this relationship, definitely, but your person don't want to give up on this connection. He want this connection because Two of Cups, there is mutual love between both of you, friendliness. I think you both first friends, then become partners. I think definitely your person want a new beginning for those who are in separation. For those who are not in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level regarding the obstacles. I think still there are some obstacles, but your person want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Taurus. So these actions purely based on your situations right now. So Two of Pentacles. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn with Taurus, because all energies are here. Six of Cups. Water energy is also here. I think your person right now is juggling between two things, but you feel strong soulmate connection with you. You both have strong soulmate or past life connections with each other. Two of Swords, bad-founded, and Two of Pentacles. Definitely there is some juggling. I think it between financial issues or career, between you and their career, but definitely he will want a new beginning with you because the Fool is here. He want to take a leap of faith with you. Strong soulmate connection you both feel with each other. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Taurus. Wow, Ace of Swords. I already told you, new beginning. Ten of Swords. Queen of Wands. Lot of readings got this card, Queen of Wands. Wow, see here, two cards pulled out, and the Fool and Two of Cups. Two times the Fool and two times the Two of Cups. Definitely it is a strong connection between both of you. It is very powerful connection. I think some cycles are going to be, and Ten of Swords. Definitely some cycles are going to be, and you both will communicate, and new beginnings. Definitely most of you, there are new beginnings because the Fool and Ace of Swords, two times Fool, and the Two of Cups, two times. This connection is also protected by the angels. Definitely strong connection and lot of passion between both of you. So this is very, very strong connection. Yes, those who are in separation, 100% there is a reconciliation and restart between both of you. I think your person right now juggling between things, but once he takes decision, then he will come towards you and offer this new beginning. Please be patient until he will make a decision. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.